Bob and I have been thinking about renovating for a couple of years and really didn't know what we wanted for sure. We started researching a little bit. We went to the home show, met a lot of different contractors, and we ran into Sosna. We actually interviewed 4 contractors prior to that and just did not get a great feeling about all of them except for when we met Andre. And as soon as we met Andre, we kind of had a gut feeling that that's where we wanted to go.
Yeah, we saw 3 of them exactly, and we set up appointments with them. And Sosna was our 4th contractor that we set up an appointment. And when we spoke to the other 3 contractors, everything was open-ended. There was no fixed price, which left us skeptical. Some wanted to do permits, pull permits from the city. Some didn't want to have permits from the city. Sosna came in. They had a program. They stuck to their program. They explained it to us, and everything all worked out. It was they lived up to what they said they were going to do.
So we went ahead and decided to sign with them. Still, a little bit worried about how it was all going to turn out. And then we met Camilla. And Camilla came in and brought Tiffany, and we sat down and realized we really didn't know what we wanted. And we thought we wanted this, thought we wanted that. And by the time we sat down, after a couple months and went through things, it became clear that this is
Camilla
what we
sent
wanted.
us in the right direction.
Exactly. So we didn't know what we really wanted when it even came to some of our kitchen stuff, like the pantries and the magic corner and
The different functions.
I think you really have to have a very good trust for somebody you're going to invest your new home in. Basically, that's what we've moved into, is a brand new home for us.
Yeah, and this was all totally new process for us. So,
Yeah.
It was a learning process, and it was a
I actually
good.
I enjoyed it.
yeah.
I never
Good
thought I
time.
would think I would enjoy renovations, but I really enjoyed it. And actually, I kind of missed them when they left. I even told Camilla one time, so you can still text me, They became like friends.
Yep.
enjoyed working with absolutely everybody. All of them were fabulous.
No complaints about the staff whatsoever,
No.
right from designing to the construction of the renovation.
Yeah, they were clean, attention
Clean.
to detail.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just more than I could imagine. It was lovely.
No worries, yeah. We had no worries.
Leo, if he had anything, was always on the ball, calling us and saying, Joyce, such and such is going to happen today, and on schedule. Weekly updates were also
Weekly
great.
updates were great.
We knew exactly where we were standing every week. Then we knew we were getting closer to our final, move
Yeah,
in.
we could follow the schedule as the updates came in, and
Yeah.
we knew where we were on the renovation.
Exactly.
We'd like to both thank Sosna for the wonderful job that they did.
For the professional job they did and the professional way they went about doing things from start to finish.
Yes, and I would recommend them
I
to
recommend them to anybody.
family or friends in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
Fabulous, fabulous company to work with.
Yeah.